Hello and welcome to another 5-minute tech tip. I'm Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training. In this 5-minute tech tip, we are going to cover how to create indexes in Microsoft Word. Pretty valuable tool when you got lots of pages and you have a pretty big document and you want people to be able to see what page things are on for a number of different topics. All right, so if you go into the ribbon up on top, you will see that there is a tab called References, and you will see that there is a section called Index right there. So the first thing we want to do when we're creating an index is mark the entry. So basically we're saying like, hey, this thing, like for example, the word solitude, this exists, and then Word is going to put it in its back pocket to say, it exists, and what page does it exist on? Okay, so let me mark this entry. I click on that, and it says, okay, well, this is going to be the main entry. Fantastic. What is it going to be on? We want to note it that's going to be on this current page. We'll see what that's going to look like in a little bit. And I'm just going to simply mark that. All right, and if you have this little show hide option showing, you'll see like this coding in the background. So don't kind of freak out when you see that. That's Word just telling you that this has now been marked as a index. All right, so let me go ahead and add in another one. I'm going to say Cambridge College. I come back over to here and notice it's already put that in there. And also notice I didn't have to close out index. So nice little shortcut keys there, nice little shortcuts there. All right, so let me go ahead and find some other things. All right, I'm going to go ahead and add on more solitude. Go to here. I'm going to capitalize that so they're all kind of one and the same, just like the first one that I did. Same mark. All right, I'll just maybe do 2 more. Just add this in there. Mark. Have the word free country in there. Okay, wonderful. Mark. All right, let me close this out. Now I'm ready to bring in my index, right? And this is where the insert index part comes in, okay? Where I'm actually bringing in the index that I have now created by marking all of those pages. So let me come down to the end here, and I just say insert index, and it's going to ask me, okay, well, what do you want it to look like? All right, well, this isn't really the best thing for me. I'd like to actually right align the page numbers, and then do I want to have a tab leader like this? You see that, all these little dots? Maybe I do, maybe I don't. Maybe I don't want to have anything. Depending on your style, maybe you want to have dashes, maybe you just want to have a straight, clean line like that. Totally up to you. So I'll keep mine like this. The other option is going to be, well, do you want to have more than one column here as you're bringing this in? All right, so I'm going to just say one column for now so we can see what that looks like. Click OK, and bam, there it is. Okay, now I also had a number of other things I added on there, but you can see there's this one, there's that one, there's solitude, right? And notice I added on a couple more other ones there. Fantastic. All right, so let's say I want to add in a couple of more. So let's just do this one because, you know, things are going to change as you move forward with documents. I'm going to say, all right, that's great. Mark that one. And then let's add on Hunt's Bridge. All right. And then just for the sake of argument, I'm done. So now I'm going to say insert index again, or I can say update index. Do you see that? So if I say update index, it does that. And notice I've added on those other things that I just added in there. But if I say insert index again, and I decide I would like to kind of change things a little bit, I'm going to say make this 2 columns and make the tab leader a little bit different. I can then do that. And then it's going to say, well, do you want to replace this index? I'm going to say, yeah, please do. And now I've got exactly what I want, just like that. Okay? So that is working with index. So it's really pretty simple, pretty straightforward, and a really valuable tool. So hopefully this was helpful, and please let me know if you have any questions or requests for future videos. I'm Dave Casuto with SF Tech Training. You can find me on my YouTube channel, through LinkedIn, and also through our website, sftechtraining.com. You can feel free to fill out our form and contact me through that. All right, see you in the next video.